Greg reporting from the bedroom. Can't see me because we're under attack. There's a Snore Monster. Oops, sorry, bummer. Oh my God, I almost died over the dog. It's okay though. We're fumbling around the house. Here, you can see me. Maybe you can see me. Can you see me? Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Tell me. It sounds like it's sawing, but I don't think so. What is that? We're gonna try and get in closer. We're gonna try and see if we can get a close up on it. Let's see if we can get a close up on the monster. What is that? What is that? Dear God. Dear God. Let's see if we can get up and close. Oh my God, we're within 3 meters. 2 meters. 1 meter. Seems to have shaken but not stirred. It seems to have gone dormant for the moment. We'll see what happens. Time will only tell. Time will only tell.